Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing an unboxing. I am going to do some color matching and I am going to be installing this hair. So what hair am I talking about? I'm talking about Amazing Beauty hair clip-in extensions. I was contacted not too long ago about working with this company and trying their hair out, and I'm gonna try and see if it matches to my curl pattern or basically like trying to blend it in. So let me show y'all the hair and then we'll get right into it. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I was just talking about. So this is the box that it came in. Amazing Beauty hair extensions. It's a really cute little, compact box. On the side here, it tells you that it's afro curly hair in the length 12 inches and the color number 30. As you can see right now, my hair is not the color 30, and I'll show you guys when I open this that it does not match, which I actually thought I ordered a 27. Where's my phone? I don't know, but let me show you. So when you open it, you're introduced to a clear pouch that is holding the clip-ins. Inside, you can kind of already see that it don't really match too well. And also they have a little clip. They have a wide tooth comb, which you can always use a wide tooth comb. And it has two little extra clips that you could sew on, I guess, in case one falls off. And then also there's this little card in there. I'm guessing it's an information card. On the back, it has their Instagram, which is @AmazingBeauty_ for Black women. So it's AmazingBeauty_ Black woman. So here's a little information chart, and it reads, "Thank you very much for purchasing from Amazing Beauty.
We used to provide our hair to many brands all over the world. Now we provide 100% Remy human hair to you, our client, without the middleman. We ensure every piece we sell is 100% high quality human hair, and we will keep offering good quality hair and improving our services and design to become better and better." It has some tips on washing the hair. It says, "Prep your extensions by removing any tangles with your fingers. Wash your extensions in a sink full of lukewarm water, holding the clip ends to make sure that this part doesn't get wet because of the thread. Gently distribute a moisturizing sulfate-free conditioner throughout the hair in a downward motion. Rinse hair well to remove conditioner. If necessary, wash one more time. Air drying is best. If you do blow dry, use a hair dryer with an attachment on warm." So I really like that they did include to use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner, because when you are dealing with hair extensions, they tend to easily mat. And also, even though this says that it is Remy means that the cuticle all goes in one direction. But that isn't the case for most hair, either a wig or, even a mannequin or even the clip-ins. It isn't really that case for most hair products, because when you wash the hair, it starts to tangle and mat and do all those different things because the cuticle is going in different directions. So, being that this is Remy, it should be all going in one direction, but I do enjoy the fact that they did include that in it to use a sulfate-free shampoo, because a lot of people do complain that, oh, it's tangled, it's drying, it's, matted, but did you use the right shampoo and conditioner? Did you follow the directions that is printed on their information sheet? If so, then you have the right to complain or to make the comments that you make. But if you are not following the directions that the company gives you, then you can't 100% ensure quality. So just wanted to note that. Also, going in the one direction, I'm pretty sure that helps keep the curl pattern together. And it says daily care. Always use a heat protector when applying any kind of heat styling tool to your extension. It's best to wash extensions as infrequently as possible to prevent them from becoming unnecessarily dry. Spritz on a leave-in conditioner to give extensions a long-lasting moisture boost. You may treat them with a deep conditioner mask roughly once a month. And it does have like a little asterisk here that says, because we cut the long weft of many pieces to make hair extensions, the hair at the ends of the weft tend to fall out. So a bit of shedding is normal with clip-in hair extensions. But if a lot of hair is falling out, let us know there is a problem so we can help you to solve it. Keep beautiful and enjoy. So that's really nice. That's some great information. I love getting little goodies when I order. I love getting goodies when I order things. So now we're gonna open up this hair on the package. It says right there, Afro Curly number 30, 12 inches. So it does have a darker root. And it is very curly wavy. So let's open that up. And I'll show you guys that it is Afro Kinky. It does look a little tighter than my current curl pattern. And you can see the color doesn't really match. But I'm going to try and fix that. So what I have here is, I have a number 7. This is a medium golden blonde, which runs a little dark. So I have this color that I'm going to put in my hair. I did use it previously, but I think that is enough to tone my hair because all I'm doing is toning it. And I also do have this natural warm blonde that I'm going to use to try and make it a little, because I don't want it to be ashy or anything. I do want it to be a neutral color. I do wish that I had a darker, maybe a level 6, but I'm going to check I have a whole color collection. So I'm going to do that. I'll color my hair and I'll get right back to you guys.
So we're back. I know we're a little crooked. I did dye my hair. It is darker than the actual color. It is darker than the number 30. Where did I put the hair? It's darker than the number 30, but I would rather that than to have lighter roots. So far at this point, I have colored my hair, and now I am trying to install these clip-ins. I don't remember if I mentioned it before, but this is my first time ever trying to wear clip-ins. You can obviously see that the texture of my hair is much different than the texture of this Afro Kinky hair. My texture changes when I dye it. So normally it is a tighter curl, but being that I've bleached my hair and then at this point in the video I have colored my hair again, each time I use permanent hair dye my hair texture loosens, and as it dries it tightens up. So please disregard my mirror, okay? Yeah, so as we go on through the video, you will see the results of how this hair turned out. If you haven't, please go ahead and comment down below any questions or any comments, whether it's negative or positive. Do as you please, and also subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to like or subscribe to this video, or even share it to people you may know. I know a lot of times people do inquire about how hair looks or how it turns out, or question buying things on Amazon.
So I just try my best to do reviews just to be able to either prevent or promote, you know, a purchase. This video is not a paid video. This is just a review that I did on Amazon. I just thought that while I'm reviewing the hair to do a review on Amazon, I might as well make a video, because there may be people out there that wants to, you know, find out how this hair looks, how it feels, how it works, and whatnot. I would recommend definitely to get more than one pack. The business or whoever, the person who reached out to me, did not advise me of that until after I did the review, but it is what it is. So I hope you guys are enjoying your day. I hope you are being blessed. Continue being blessed, continue being positive, and let's get back to the video.
Alright, so I'm back. I tried the best that I could with the one pack, but it's very clear that I needed 2 packs of this hair in order to, you know, because you can see back here all of my hair is short there, so I might have to try a different little style, maybe do it on one side only, or maybe braid the front and have this in the back. But it looks like I definitely need another pack of hair. I tried. It's the least I could do is try. So I have this headband that I'm gonna put on to try and see if it makes it look a little better, because it could pull this part up. If anything, I might have to just wear it in a ponytail like this to help cover. Okay. So it's 6 clip-ins. This is pretty much the best that I could do. I'll try and do it a different way maybe tomorrow and show you guys. But as of right now, I done colored my hair. I've washed my hair, put the hair in, and it could be better. It definitely could be better. But if you have tighter texture hair, this hair is pretty soft. It's just very sparse right now. So from the front it might look good. It might look good from the front view, but from the back you can see how empty it's looking. So I guess I'll update you guys in another video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.